What's up everyone and welcome to this video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to create viral TikTok videos using this AI tool called Fliki. Now you want to simply go onto fliki.ai. Fliki is a video creation that makes it 10 times faster and simpler using this AI. You can transform your ideas into stunning content with AI voices using our text-to-video tool. As you can see, the Fliki has a lot of tools right here. We have the text-to-video, idea-to-video, text-to-speech, blog-to-video, tweet-to-video, product-video, and we also have the AI voiceover, AI avatar, voice cloning, PPT to video, and photo to video. So right here guys, you want to simply just make use of that tool or features you want to simply make use of. So the first thing guys you simply need to do is to start for free, and there is no credit required right there, and it's going to take you right onto this page. Right here guys, as you can see, I've been able to create lots of videos using this AI tool called Fliki. So once you're right here, in order for us to be able to create a viral TikTok videos, we want to simply go onto the new file right here. As you can see right here on the file type, we have the video and audio only. So we'll simply go onto the video, select your language. There are lots of languages right here that you can easily select from. You go onto the dialects, you select, there are lots of them right here. Then you simply enter your file name. I'm just going to do this right here to be my file name for the course of this tutorial. Now your aspect ratio, since we are creating a TikTok video, the aspect ratio is portrait, which is 9:16. Then you start with an idea right here. You simply go on to submit, and this is going to take us right onto the next step for us to be able to create a viral TikTok video. So once you're right here guys, you want to simply give this a prompt, and this is going to generate the stock media, the sound effects, the voiceover, everything right here for you. So guys, I'm just going to paste this to be the prompt of this video right here. So once you're right here, you want to simply just go right here. So I'm just going to scroll down right here guys. I'm just going to do this, and once you right here, you simply go onto the submit button right here, and it's going to create it right here for you. As you can see, it is creating. Please wait. So you want to simply just wait for some seconds for this to be done creating. So guys, as you can see right here, it has been able to create the scene right here for me. As you can see, we have up to scene 10 right here. So guys, you can easily choose in your background audio right here. We have the a lot of background audio. You can take it from the stock library. You can also upload yours right here. Then you can easily just reduce the volume of your background audio right here. You can easily reduce the speed, and you can add subtitles, but it's not necessary. So you go onto the voiceover. We have a lot of voiceover that we can actually make use of right here. We have a lot of voice selection, the gender, the default style, and everything right here. And you can also reduce the speed of your voice over right there. Now you can change the position of the subtitle, and if you do not want subtitle on your video, you can easily remove this right here. And guys, you can go onto the layout section. We have the video, image, and GIF right here. Since we're talking about fitness, you can easily just search for this right here. I'm just going to search for this, and as you can see, it's going to find media right here. So I can easily just put this right here. So I simply need to upgrade for me to be able to make use of the stock media, since I'm using a free plan right there. So once you're done with all of that right here, you're choosing your layout, or you can easily just auto pick right here, and it's going to add that to your layer right here for you. So as you can see, that is it for the scene 1. I can go on to scene 2 right here and simply just auto pick, and it's going to do that right here for me. So I just want to simply do that for all of my scene right here. So it's going to just auto pick that particular scene for me. So once that is done guys, all I want to simply do is to play this video to see how it actually looks like. So guys, this is it right here. It has been able to create this awesome video for me. So it's just up to you. As you can see, this is a 1-minute video. Okay, this is just closer to a minute video, which can be used for a TikTok video right here. So all you want to do is to go onto the download button, you download this, you start exporting your video. You want to simply just export your video, and you will be notified via email when your file is ready to download. So you can easily close this pop-up and continue working on other files right there. So guys, but this is how you can actually create a viral TikTok videos by just giving this a prompt right here, and it's going to create an awesome video for you. So guys, you want to simply try out Fliki AI for you to be able to transform your ideas into stunning content.